We have common type of links in data vault modeling are the same as links and then hierarchical links. These both represent recursive relationships, and even if they seem identical from modeling perspective, actually the purpose of their usage is different. In Data Vault, we create the hubs which includes the business key information from the entities. So one hub could be fed from either one source system or multiple sources, and sometimes different source systems support different formats for the same business key. So look at the sample. We have Customer Hub, which is loaded from both SAP and ERP systems. And we know that we have the same customer exists in the two different systems having different type of customer numbers. In the SAP system, customer is defined with letter codes. Against it, we see the same customer represented as numbers in the ERP platform. But why it is important? As a business owner, I need to be aware of that two records in the hub table actually represent the same customer. Otherwise, I will think that I have 6 customers instead of the 3. So you may think that why we need to load the data from both systems, actually the single system is enough. The reason is there will be cases that some customers are accessed in the ERP systems and not take place in SAP, or vice versa. So if I use the single system, I would lose the data, or I have a reporting platform and have two types of business users, which one of them is get used to naming or terminology from SAP platform, and the other one is from the ERP. So I need to provide a common platform that will be familiar for both of them. So each of them should be able to see the customer number in the way they expected. In order to solve this, we use the same as link table, which is a form of recursive relationship that is used to let us know that the two records in a hub table both represent the same core concept. The foreign keys in the link point to the two instances of the hub primary key IDs, the link named with the prefix or suffix of SAL, so that we know the two instances of the key have been defined the same. So let's look at the inside of the table. It includes the mapping between the SAP and ERP records. So the SAP system is defined as master and ERP is the secondary system. And you may think about that how we will know the mapping between the two source systems. Mostly you need to ask the business or system owner in order to get the mapping information. So SAP system is defined as master and ERP is the secondary system. So it means that in any case, the same record in the same format and in the same meaning comes from different source systems, then the leading system will be the owner. So that way, for example, if we are familiar with the customer format from the SAP, then we can pick the customer number from the master foreign key column, then we can obtain the equal ERP customer information. Okay, maybe it seems a little bit complicated, but let's think simple. When you combine two systems, you just pick the business key fields from the different hubs and insert into the link table as foreign key. So it is very similar. We have two different foreign key columns from two different source systems, but differently we have only one hub table and includes all the forms of customer information. We mostly use same as link tables in business keys mutuations or helps to solve the data quality issues where a given concept can be misspelled and has to be linked to the correct definition. For example, the zip code can be written in different formats in different systems, and we can use the same as link tables in order to define the correct format. So basically, same as link is a business vault entity. So the idea is to capture all business keys that from all different source systems and do not do any consolidation in the first step. After all business keys have been loaded into the raw data vault, and same as link is used to identify master and duplicate records in the hub table. And the last information is the same as link table is a standard data vault link and it does not have any different structure or violates the rules. Thank you for listening.